Hello my lovely kids, how are you? Today we learn A to Z, ABC and 0 to 9 numbers. Let's start coloring. A for ant. B for ball. C for candle. C D for drum. E for elbow. F for frog. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jacket. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rose. S for spoon. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 Hope you like my video. Thank you.